Here we have a question that asks to solve for x. What you see me doing now is grabbing the least common denominator and multiplying it or putting it on top with the numerator. Next, you're going to see me eliminate like terms. This basically eliminating the denominator and just leaving the numerator with the terms. Now giving you an algebraic equation. What you're going to see now is how to solve for x. You're going to subtract 12 and 20 from both sides of the equation. This giving you 5x equals 40, leaving 5x alone. Now you're going to divide by 5 to get x equals 8. You're going to put in the 8 where the x is in the equation. As you can see, it does not make 0, so it will not be an extraneous solution. Here you can see the equation is true. Here you see another problem which asks to solve for x. 1 over n minus 8 minus 1 equals 7 over n minus 8. Again, what you're going to do is get the least common denominator and multiply it by the numerator. What you saw me do with the 1 is, since there is no denominator for it, just add a 1 because it's basically implied. Pay attention to the minus symbol because it makes it negative. Now I eliminated like terms in both the numerator and denominator. This giving you an algebraic equation to solve for x. Keep in mind that it is a negative 1 because there is a minus symbol or negative symbol in front of the one that had no denominator. Remember to isolate the variable, and what you will get is n equals 2. To make certain it's true, plug in the number. Since we already learned to grab the least common denominator, I've already arranged the equation to have the numerator alongside the least common denominator. You saw me eliminate like terms both in the numerator and denominator. Now we're solving for x. And in this question, it also asks to find the sum of the solutions. In this particular problem, you're going to have a polynomial that involves u factoring. You're going to want to move everything on the left of the equal symbol to the right. Now you will have to factor this, giving you x plus 3 and x plus 8. Solve for both. Since you get minus 3 or negative 3 and negative 8, add them both together to find the sum of the solutions. Again, for this problem, I have already arranged the least common denominator alongside the numerator. Now, you will multiply the least common denominator by the numerators. What you're going to want to do next is combine like terms. It's giving you 7x equals 84. Now divide by 7 on both sides to get 12. After you have done that, to check your work, put 12 in the place of x. Here the equation is true.